In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to a page in Notion. Tags are one of the simplest ways to keep your Notion workspace organized. They let you label pages with categories like priority, topic, or status, and then quickly group or filter those pages later. In Notion, tags live as a property on a page inside a database, and the best setup is a property that allows multiple options. Start by opening your database and clicking the page you want to tag. This brings you into the page view where the properties sit at the top. If you don't see any properties yet, don't worry. Adding one takes just a moment and gives you a consistent place to store your tags. Next, click Add Property. You'll find this in the Properties section near the top of the page. Properties are the structured fields that describe your page. Think of them as columns in a spreadsheet. We're going to create a property specifically designed to hold multiple tag values, so we can add as many tags as we need without limitations. When the property type menu opens, choose multi-select. Notion has a standard select property as well, but select limits you to just one option. Multi-select is perfect for tags because most pages benefit from more than one label, like design, Q2, and in progress, all at the same time. Give this new property a clear name such as tag or tags. Consistent naming helps you and your team immediately recognize what the field is for. Singular or plural, both work. Pick the style you'll remember and stick with it across your databases to keep everything clean and predictable. Now, click into the tag cell for this page and start typing the labels you want. As you type, Notion will suggest any matching tags that already exist. You can select one to stay consistent. If the tag is new, finish typing the word or phrase you want to use. Short descriptive tags work best, and using a consistent case like title case or lowercase keeps things tidy. To add a tag that doesn't exist yet, click Create. You'll see the new tag appear as a colored pill on the page. Repeat this process to add as many tags as you need. If you change your mind, you can remove a tag by hovering over it and clearing it, and you can always come back later to add more. That's it. You've added tags to a page in Notion, making it easier to sort, scan, and organize your work across your database.